Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Windows Remote Desktop, RDP, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Windows Remote Desktop, start by ensuring your computer is connected to the internet. Locate the search bar on your desktop or taskbar. Type Remote Desktop Connection into the search bar. Select the Remote Desktop Connection application from the search results. In the Remote Desktop Connection window, input the name or IP address of the computer you wish to connect to. Click on the Show Options button at the bottom left corner of the window to access advanced settings. In the next window, navigate to the username field and enter your username for the remote computer. If you wish to save your credentials, check the box labeled Allow me to save credentials. Proceed to the Local Resources tab to select any resources you want to use on your local computer during the session. Return to the General tab and click on Connect to initiate the remote connection. A security warning may appear, informing you about the identity of the remote computer. If you trust the connection, click Yes to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password for the remote computer. After entering your password, click OK to log in. Once connected, you will see the desktop of the remote computer. To disconnect from the remote session, click on the X in the top right corner of the window. Confirm the disconnection, and you will return to your local machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.